Dear student, today we learn about to find the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. So very simple. So given A matrix is given, so we have to find the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. So cofactor matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. An adjoint matrix is nothing but the transpose of cofactor matrix, means write down the row matrix into the column matrix. So A11, A12, A13. Write down the second row into the second column. So A21, A22, A23. Write down the third row into the third column. So A31, A32, A33. So we have to find the all cofactor elements. We have to find the all cofactor elements by using these operations. This is the most important. So Aij is equal to -1 raised to I plus j into minor of ij. I means the position of element in which row and j means the position of element in which column. So let's we start. So here we have to find all the cofactor elements value. So first A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a simple format. So from this example we write all cofactor elements. Here we know that -1 raised to even number is equal to +1 and -1 raised to odd number is equal to -1. So here -1 raised to 1 plus 1. So even number means positive, -1 raised to 1 plus 2 means odd number means negative, -1 raised to 1 plus 3 means 4. 4 means even number. So here positive. Similarly here 2 plus 1 3 odd number minus 2 plus 2 4 even number plus 2 plus 3 odd number minus 3 plus 1 4 even number plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 5 odd number minus 3 plus 3 even number, so plus. Then most importantly, how to take minor of each element. So here first A11. A11 means this element present into the first row and first column. A12 means this element present into the first row, second column. A13 means this element present into the first row, third column. So first A11 means 1. So 1 present into the first row and first column. So take this remaining 4 values 3, 5, 0, -1. 3, 5, 0, -1. For A12. A12 means -1. So this element present into the first row and second column. Take the remaining element. So which are the remaining element? -2, 5, -2, -1. -2, 5, -2, -1, -2, -1. So next A13. A13 means 2. This element present into the first row and third column. So take the remaining elements. Which are the remaining elements? -2, 3, -2, 0. -2, 3, -2, 0. Similarly we find out for A21, A22 and A23. A21 means this element. So -2 present into the second row, first column. So take the remaining element. So which are the remaining element? -1, 2, -1, 2, 0, -1. -1, 2, 0, -1. For A22 means this element 3. So this is element present into the second row, second column. So take the remaining element 1, 2, -2, -1. 1, 2, -2, -1. For A23 A23 means these 5 elements. So this is present into the second row and third column. So remaining element 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. So next similarly we perform for A31, A32, A33. So A31 means this element minus 2. So this is element present into the third row, first column. So taking the remaining element minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Minus 1, 2, 3, 5. Next for A32 this 0 element. So present in third row, second column. So remaining element 1, 2, 2, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. A33 means minus 1. So this element present into the third row, third column. So take the remaining element 1 minus 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 in such a way that we find out the minor of all elements. Then everyone know how to find out the value of determinant. So find the value of determinant. So here plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So we start to find the value of determinant. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 0 into 5 0. So answer is minus 3. So next minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, take minus sign, then 5 into minus 2 minus 10 is equal to, so minus minus plus 10 plus 2 plus 12 and multiply by this minus sign. So answer is minus 12. So next minus 2 into 0 0 minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So minus minus become plus 6. So next minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 0 0. So answer is minus 1. So next 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So minus minus become plus. So plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. Next 1 into 0 0 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So 0 minus 2 minus 2 and multiply by this minus and again then positive 2. So next 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 into 6 3 into 2 6. So is equal to minus 11. So minus sign, 5 into 1 5 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 5 minus minus plus 4 becomes 9 and multiply by this minus sign, so minus 9. So next 1 into 3 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, then 3 minus 2 again 1. So in such way that we have to find out all the values of cofactor elements. So write down the cofactor matrix. We know that the cofactor matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Write down the elements. So A11 element minus 3 minus 12 6, minus 3 minus 12 6. Next minus 1 3 2, minus 1 3 2, minus 11 minus 9 1, minus 11 minus 9 1. And we know that the adjoint matrix is nothing but the transpose of cofactor matrix. So transpose of cofactor matrix means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So write down this cofactor matrix into the adjoint matrix. So from this matrix, so answer of adjoint matrix is nothing but minus 3. Write down the row into the column. Minus 12 6, minus 1 3 2, minus 1 3 2, minus 11 minus 9 1, minus 11 minus 9 1. So this is a very simple method. So you have to find the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. You remember this one. Adjoint matrix means the transpose of cofactor matrix, then you have to find all the cofactor elements. So how to find the cofactor elements? Using this formula, Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of ij. I means the position of row and j means the position of column. So similarly write down, find out the two minor of each element, then put here and then find out the adjoint matrix in such way that we can find out the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. One more example we solve. So here this is the example to find the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. So we know that the cofactor matrix A11, A12, A13 and adjoint matrix is nothing but the transpose of cofactor matrix. So we have to find all the values of this element by using this formula. So here Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j m into ij. So we know that how to write the format. Once you write the format, then write down the minor of each element. So minor of first element, so first element present in first row, first column, write down the remaining element 1 3 3 minus 5, 1 3 3 minus 5. So element of 1 2 present in the element of 1 2 present in first row, second column. So write down the remaining element minus 2 3 0 minus 5, minus 2 3 0 minus 5. For next, minus 2 1 0 3, minus 2 1 0 3. For A21 0 2 3 minus 5, 0 2 3 minus 5. For A22 1 2 0 minus 5, 1 2 0 minus 5. For A32 1 0 0 3, 1 0 0 3. For A31 0 2 1 3, 0 2 1 3. For A32 1 2 minus 2 3, 1 2 minus 2 3. And for A33 1 0 minus 2 1, 1 0 minus 2 1. In such way that we write all the minor of each element. So everyone know how to solve the value of determinant. So we can solve 1 into minus 5 minus 3, 3 into 3 minus 9. So answer is minus 14 is equal to minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10 minus 0. So is equal to minus 10. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6, 0 into 1 0. So answer is minus 6. Next, minus 0 into minus 5 0, 3 into 2 6. So answer is minus minus become plus 6 is equal to 1 into minus 5 0 into 2 0. So answer is minus 5 is equal to 1 into 3 3 and multiply by this minus sign. So minus 3 is equal to 0 into 3 0, 1 into 2 2. So answer is minus 2. 1 into 3 3, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So minus minus become plus 4 and multiply by this minus sign. So minus 7. 1 into 1 1, 0 into minus 2 0. So answer is 1. Write down all the elements into the cofactor matrix. So write down all elements. So minus 14 minus 10 minus 6, minus 14 minus 10 minus 6. Next, 6 minus 5 minus 3, 6 minus 5 minus 3, and last one minus 2 minus 7 1, minus 2 minus 7 1. We know that how to write the adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix is nothing but the cofactor of transpose matrix. So here we write down minus 14 minus 10 minus 6. Write the R2 becomes C2. So 6 minus 5 minus 3. Write down R3 become C3. So minus 2 minus 7 1. In such way that we find out the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. So very simple method. First of all, write down the given example, then write down the cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. By using this formula, we find out all the value of cofactor element, then write here, then you get the answer of cofactor matrix and adjoint matrix. So I hope you enjoy the lectures. So thank you very much for attending this lecture.